Greetings YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been able to get out and ride. Had a few things going on at home and able to get out today for the first time in a while. Certainly the first time I've had a chance to record in a good long while. Out today on the 2019 Gold Wing Tour DCT here in north central North Carolina. Today it is 71 degrees and sunny. We had some good weather roll through the past couple of days, and we got rid of the heat and humidity, at least for today and tomorrow, I think. So, currently on Highway 98. Had to navigate around a road closure. Must have been a bad accident. They had the road completely blocked off back in town. And I am on my way to Alamance Crossing, which is about 70 miles west of me. I'm going to meet with a friend and former co-worker, my friend Pat, and we're going to get a cup of coffee and BS for a while and decide where we're going to go from there. Currently in tour mode, and you can see the white box with the D in the middle, so automatic mode. And this thing is smooth as glass. This fresh blacktop on the highway sure helps too. So I'm navigating toward Highway 70. I think I said I'm on Highway 98 now. And from 70 to 85 to 85/40. And I'm sure after we have a little caffeine, we'll find some country roads to ride and get some lunch. Got a few miles to go before I get onto the highway. Alright folks, we're back. Currently on I-40. So I am almost at my destination. Another exit or two. Looks like 141 is next. I think I need 140. Traffic is pretty light today, except for that highway closure back on 98. Things have been going pretty smoothly. Been watching a couple of new channels on YouTube. One of them is The Jed Rides, J-E-D, and it features The Jed and his buddy Kenny, and they ride a couple of BMWs in California. The Jed's on a GS and Kenny's on an RT. pretty entertaining couple of guys there, so give them a look. And also Fentour, that's F-E-N-T-O-U-R. Fentour is over in the UK, and he rides a GS as well. Really taking a liking to the guys on the adventure bikes over in Europe. They go through some really interesting old towns, beautiful scenery. This is our exit here at 140. Cool. Alright, not too bad. Only 10 minutes behind schedule. That's pretty good for me. I think Planet GSA is one of the other guys across the pond. He does a lot of touring of Scotland, it looks like. Good stuff. And this is our turn here. Have you ever noticed when you want a red light so you can take a minute to adjust something or mess with the technology on the motorcycle, write something down, anything, you want that red light, you never get it. When you don't want the red light because you want to get someplace, you always catch it. Oh, I don't see Pat here, so looks like I'm doing okay. I never use CarPlay on this motorcycle because I only got the Bluetooth headset a couple of months ago. But I have to say, this CarPlay is pretty cool. The only thing is, oh, there's Pat. You got to do a certain dance a certain way to get it to work right, and what a pain in the neck. Pat's got a, I think it's a 2004 model Road King Classic. All right. Inside for coffee. See you in a bit. So we're done with coffee. Had a couple hours to catch up. It's always a good thing. And I think we're heading right for lunch because we're hungry. So we'll see how this works here. Get out of here.
Now turn left and then immediately turn left again. Now turn left and then immediately turn left again.
There's a barbecue restaurant.
Now turn left and then turn left again.
All right, quiet. There's a barbecue restaurant about 1.5 miles north of us called Tickle My Ribs. So we're going to give that a shot.
Now turn left onto University Drive.
I smell McDonald's and all of a sudden I'm, holy crap, I'm starving.
Yeah. Yeah. You know,
French fries.
you know you're really hungry when McDonald's smells really good. but this is much nicer. Made it out of the parking lot without getting killed. And it's not supposed to rain, but that's not looking too good. Make a U-turn. There it is. Already passed it. Alright, so we got to turn around here. That was fast.
Follow the arrow on the display, then you will reach your destination.
Must be good if the fire department's here. That was some good barbecue. You too. See ya. He's heading back toward the Charlotte area, and I'm going to head back to the Raleigh area. It's good to catch up. It's been a little while since we've seen each other. Able to shoot the breeze, get some lunch. We didn't do too much riding today. Actually, we did no riding. We just met for coffee and then went right down the road, got some lunch, and that was great. Well, we had a lot of catching up to do. Yeah, I would say that's an oversized load. There's a lot of turbulence coming off of that thing. Here I thought I was out of battery. went to hit the record button, didn't hear the beeps, and I figured the battery was dead. But no, it helps if you turn on the camera. So there must be something left. Anyway, got off the highway some time ago. Got Jimmy Buffett and Bob Marley going here on the headset. And it's a pleasure being off the super slab, riding in the shade. It's only 80 degrees. It's like a perfect day to ride today. Coming up on a 150-mile day today to meet my friend and have some coffee and get some lunch. And I have to say, on this thing, it's effortless. CarPlay is working well when you do the right sequence for turning things on and jumping up and down on one leg facing a certain direction and hope it all works. I found that some unplugging, replugging, booting and rebooting is necessary once in a while to get it to work. But when it does work, it works pretty well. Made a phone call through the headset and it was perfect. Got some music going on. And the nav mode works pretty well too. Well, back to civilization. I'm just a few miles from home. I'm going to stop and get some gas first. So, thanks for riding along, and we'll see you the next time.